These are our best-selling Lavenham solar garden lights. They come as a set of 4 and offer a beautiful vintage bulb effect. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lavenham solar garden lights. Let's get into it. Our Lavenham lights are completely cable-free and run on their own. There's a reason why they're a best-selling fan favourite. Let's unbox to find out why. Inside the box we have the lights, the posts and the stakes. The Lavenham lights do come as a 4-pack, so make sure you've got 4 light heads, 8 posts and 4 stakes. To set up these lights you're going to need to remove the top of the light head and find the on-off switch and flip it to the on position. You can cover the solar panel to trick the light into thinking it's night time and the light will turn on. Since these lights are solar powered, they'll turn on automatically at dusk and run for roughly 10 hours on a full charge. Next you'll need to grab the 2 poles and slide them together. Then take the stake and slide that into the poles as well. And finally you'll need to attach the light head to the poles. And you have your light. If you prefer to have your lights a bit shorter, just remove one of the poles from the light and you're ready to go. These lights measure at 52 centimeters tall and 7.5 centimeters wide. There is an additional 13 centimeters in height if you include the stake. These lights stand alone or as a set of 4, and the toughened plastic makes them extremely durable and able to survive harsh British winters. These lights emit 50 lumens and a warm white vintage glow. They're perfect for lining flower beds, walkways or patios with timeless charm. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you want to stay up to date with all our videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.